What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for cooling with Jay as always. So in today's video, man, we're going to be talking about the V4 Streetfighter, and will all this virus stuff situation going on, is that going to affect, man, all of us? You know, us getting parts, us getting the bike, modifications, that sort of thing, guys. So for those of you who don't know, this is my very first ownership, very first bike. I've had it now for about 2 years. Exactly this week will be 2 years. I got the email actually doing the review, the Ducati customer service survey review, because it's been officially now 2 years since I've owned it. So yeah, very first bike, very first ownership. And for those of you who don't know, I am debating, thinking, contemplating about swapping this guy for the V4 Streetfighter. And so yeah, in today's video we're going to discuss that and what might happen now that, of course, obviously no one predicted this to happen to us, this whole this whole situation, which is unfortunate. So it could be a pro and a con. So we're going to discuss that in this video. And guys, as always, man, I would greatly appreciate it if you just continue to hit that like and subscribe button, man. Smash that thing away. Help me out, man. Help my channel grow, guys. Again, I can't do this without y'all. I post daily, if not every other day, on Instagram. I'm very active on Instagram, semi active on Snapchat, and very frequently active on Twitter. But all those links will be down below, guys. Again, check me out, man. I always post cool pictures, polls. I get to ask questions. Oh, and last thing, I'm thinking about doing a live Q&A, since, you know, they're trying to keep us at home. So I might do a live Q&A on my channel, pretty much like a live stream, but basically I'm at home and y'all can ask me whatever kind of question. Just have cool conversation, guys. And if that's something you might be interested in, please vote below or above, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it, about if you would be interested in me doing that. I'm actually gonna go pick up food. For those of you who are gonna be in the comments saying you shouldn't be out riding, I'm actually gonna go pick up food that I've already ordered. This just gave me an excuse to ride and put in my backpack. So guys, let's get into this video. As I was saying, I am going to be taking delivery of the V4 Streetfighter. Now, my delivery date was supposed to be for July. Okay, now with all this going on, man, I'm not sure. It might speed up my delivery or might push it back. And here's kind of my thought process right on that. Okay, if my delivery for mine is pushed back to, let's say, August or September, my thought process, I might just wait till when or if they announce any new updates for the 2021 year. Ooh, that caught me off guard. So I'll see if they release anything for the 2021 update, and basically I would decide from there, you know, if they did their press conference. Because my thought process is this, right? I live in Oregon, we get a lot of rain, right? So assuming if I got it in July, August, right, between break-in, modifications, because for those of you who've known me from the very beginning, the first 6-8 months I had this bike, it was pretty much different places with vendors, because I worked with a ton of vendors when I got this bike, right? So my bike was gone a lot, and on top of that, the bike had, unfortunately, quite a few recalls. So my bike was gone basically the first 6 months of the year of my ownership. Okay, now the catch to that is you can look at it two ways, right? You can look at it, well, hey, if you get the bike in August, right, it'll go through all the recalls, all that kind of stuff, so that way, you know, when it's time again, you'll be ready, right? So, which is true, you know, that's a good point. I'm sure someone will say, hey, you get the bike in August, you know, September or whatever, by the time all the recalls are done, you're back to riding season. But for content purposes, you know what I'm saying, I'd have a bike I'm not really making content for. So at that point, why not just keep this guy, you know what I'm saying, do more content, and then get the new 2021 Streetfighter and next year. So that's my thought process with as far as that part goes, if it gets pushed back. Again, I don't know. The other issue is parts, right? Because since the factory's probably going to be closed as far as, you know, getting parts, not just if you have a, you know, issue, because a lot of the recalls I had for this bike, they had to, they're barking at me. A lot of the recalls I had for this bike, guys, they had to order those parts. So there's no guarantee if with the Streetfighter, if, again, I'm hoping it's not, but let's say if it has recalls, right? So what happens then? Is essentially my bike torn apart for months waiting for the part to get there? See, stuff like that I have to consider, and obviously talk to the dealership about. So that's my other issue, is parts. You know, again, not just both recall parts and modifications. So those two things are my questions, is if there's recalls, will those parts be, you know, available? And if there's not, like for just mods, are those also available? Now, to be honest, I don't buy just on Ducati performance parts. I have some aftermarket parts as well. So the question becomes, you know, will that happen? You know what I'm saying? Will they be able to supply for both of those needs? So that's the $1 million question I don't know the answer to, and there's a bike next to me. Female. That's interesting. So yeah, that's what I don't know, and that's what I have to figure out. The next part is, right, pro or con, will this, because obviously, because the economy, guys, it's taking that risk, obviously, with purchasing a new bike, not knowing, you know, how the economy is going to react 6 months from now, 5 months from now, 3 months from now, right? Again, that could be pro or con, because I'm sure guys are pulling out, right, of getting theirs because of it. So there might be some deals to be made. Because, like, what is it? GM's doing, what, 7 years, no interest. Another car company says they'll pay your 3 months of your mortgage, I think they said, which is crazy. So, I mean, will Ducati do any deals? Is there Audi group? I don't know. So that's also an issue too, is that. So that could also play into, you know, it being a longer wait, or on the flip, shorter. So it might be much faster because of that, right? I might be able to get it way sooner than later because people back out, which can't work in my favor. The only con is, obviously, I wasn't expecting to be taking a bike delivery this soon, because like I said, for me it was, you know, I thought it was going to be 4 months from now, not now. So that's the other issue as well, is that. Alright, let's see if this bike is going to follow me. That was not a girl. That looked like a girl, but I guess it wasn't. So I'm taking the back way. So guys, what do y'all think? You know, what would you do? Alright? Would you, in the current situation, right? And the next part is obviously doing the trade. Right? So would you do the trade for the V4 Streetfighter? Would you do it now? Would you wait a few months? Would you buy it next year? I just want to get y'all's thoughts, you know, y'all's thoughts and opinions on what y'all would do in this current climate, you know, considering everything going on. What would you do? So the options are possibly would be to get it now, wait next year, still get it in the July window, right? Or, you know what I'm saying, just stick with this and not get anything for a while. That's also an option too. So it's also an option is to not get anything, right? And just wait. Just wait it out, you know what I'm saying? Just wait it out and see how the market happens. But guys, I do really want, you know what I'm saying, to be able to bring that content to y'all, which is why all the subscriptions, the views, all that stuff helps. You know what I'm saying? It helps the channel able to do more stuff. So now modifications, so there are a few modifications that are like a must. Okay, so let's say the bike's let's say I have the bike right now. Now I'm not gonna give away everything I might do to it, but I will tell you this. I am definitely going to paint the radiator guard black. That is very high on the list. Radiator guard, tail tidy. I'll probably end up, I'm not sure which company and all of that, but yeah, tail tidy, for sure. Tail tidy, radiator cover, painting the cover. Wow, excuse me. Painting the cover. Those are two main things. The heated grips, yes, as well, so this one I'll have to double check. I'm not 100% sure, but from what I was reading or looking at, so when they reviewed it, right, in Italy, they said it comes with a heated grips button already installed, but you have to get the, you know, the cables, the wiring, and the actual heated grips. So I don't know how that works, right? So I'll have to look into that, because my question is, so if I get the heated grips, can I still do the if I get the heated grips, can I still, so my question with that is, if I do the heated grips, can I still do the spacers? So the Ducati spacers pretty much gets rid of the slack in the throttle. So since it's a special wiring unit with the throttle, are you able to still add a spacer? Now, again, I don't know, right? If you are, that will definitely be a good buy. If you can't, that might change if I go that route. Again, I don't know. I have to do more research about it. I don't even know if it's just a software update or if it's an actual, because on their site, you see the actual throttle with the cables as a picture, which I'll point up below. So, but the guy pointed to a button on the Streetfighter and said that with this, you don't have to, like, you know, it just, you know, it doesn't come with it, but you can add it as an option. So obviously the question is, well, what kind of option is that, right? So again, I'd have to do research. So obviously heated grips, radiator, color black. I would like to see red, just a render of it. I'm not saying I would do red, but I would like someone to do it so I can see the render and then kind of see how cool that is. Because it might be kind of cool. I don't know, something different. Man, it's crazy that, you know, all this is happening, guys. So like I said, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everyone is, you know, staying safe and healthy. Again, I'll probably get flack for coming out here on the bike, but here's what it is, right? So guys, like I said, down in the comments below, let me know what your opinion is. Because like I said, yes, it's my money, but I'm still, again, I like to keep open dialogue and let y'all be in the conversation, just, you know, inside feedback, all of that. So, if you haven't checked out my video on how you change the GoPro coloring and settings, that video is up as well. So check that out if you're interested. And yeah, guys, as always, man, like I said, just a chill video. About to go here, pick up this food. I figured I would make a quick... Oh, I jumped. The little bike came off the ground. Oh, that was pretty cool. Made me giggle. It's funny how we boys, the smallest things bring us little entertainment. Because I didn't mean to jump that. I had no idea you could do that. But the whole bike did come off the ground. I definitely felt it. It didn't necessarily hurt, but it got me a chuckle or two. And we're getting into the warmer season, so I'm going to change my jacket as well from a, you know, cold jacket to a warmer jacket. So that's going to be exciting. But anyway, guys, and I would greatly appreciate it. Any help would do. And I will see all y'all in the next video.